New Zealand USD. Now we are based on daily chart. All right, based on the daily chart, if we see we have a correction in here and here. Now whether we can put this as a correction, in this case if yes, then what we have here, and we should expect this one for continuation. That's mean the price can continue, but now the question how high it can go, we are not sure. Okay, and whether it can go sharply or with the correction. All right, again we are not sure, but the only things we want to see how we can trade from here. Shall we expect the reversal? That means if we say this correction is finished, we should look for the reversal. I don't think so. I don't think we can get this one. The only thing is we see how whether we can get the correction here or not. Okay, right now one thing I need to highlight here again, we have a divergence. Okay, just additional over information if you want to trade. And also I want to highlight, is there a possibility we get the channel here? That means the price can move within this channel. Also possible. Okay, but what we are expecting right now, we are expecting with a small correction there and for continuation. And about the channel, just now I highlighted, it's just we need to bear in mind that there is a possibility also for that correction. Okay, I mean the price move within a channel without the sharp move. Okay, in this case if we move to forward chart, based on the forward chart also we see we have a divergence here, and all those divergence I'm highlighting, it doesn't mean we should expect the reversal, because in the long term, maybe if the price from here continue go higher, may for forwards may the divergence, we won't have the divergence in the another 1 or 2 days. The only things we need to bear in mind that for our information, if you're trading, if we see any any source of the reversal or the deeper correction. Okay, now how are we going to trade here? Okay, as we can see, the price is correcting here. Whether we get a similar small correction or we get a deeper correction, any of them we are looking for buy. But if we move to 1 hour chart, as we can see, this one is different quite from the Australian USD, I mean AUD USD, because I think this one can correct within this one, and we are not expecting to get deeper correction. It doesn't mean we won't get, we are not expecting. That means mostly we will get the small correction and the price can move for the next price can move up. Okay, how are we going to trade? Based on the correction right now, we have the first option is we can have an entry above this. As long as the price is correcting within the small range, we can have a entry a few pips above this. Okay, but if then in case the price sharp move up, the second we see how this correction can form. If we get any buy within this, within the correction, also we can look for buy. But right now the only option is having entry. But if the price give us a deeper correction, move similar to what we have, then having entry above this is not valid. Maybe we need to move to the lower if we want to have if we want to trade based on the having entry. But if we get a deeper correction, then it's better we look for buy setup at the correction, not having entry. Okay, right now this is the option for buy in case the price move sharply, or if we see any based on the lower time frame, if we get any correction, any buy setup within the correction, also we can trade. All right, that's me. Now we are looking for buy. How about the sell? Do we need to look for sell? I don't think so, unless the price sharply move down and give a small correct flag, then we can look for sell. But at this range, I'm not interested for sell, because we are expecting the price can go higher. In this case, we just follow the market. If we get any trade setup, then we can I will share on YouTube, and that's all. Trade with care. Thanks.